In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to update or reinstall the software on your panel. For this example, we're installing version 3.07. First of all, insert the USB that contains the preloaded .img file. Once it's plugged in, press Next. Go to the Applications icon. Select Other, then Version. Here you see all the details about your current software version. Select Update. The USB will display its files. Look now for the .img file in the root folder. This is the file that we need. The system will identify the version. If it's the same version, like in our example, it will simply reinstall it. No changes will be made to the drivers. Check the confirmation box and press OK. The system will begin now loading the IMG file. This process may take around 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient. Once installation is complete, the system will ask you to calibrate the screen. Use a stylus for accurate calibration. Follow the on-screen reference points carefully, as even a slight miscalibration can affect touch functionality. After calibration, the system will reboot. You'll see a black screen with system commands as it finalizes the update. That's it, your software is now updated.